Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about your windshield color. There are 3 candidates, and we're going to talk about each and every one, so stay tuned. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So let me set the clip up for you. I was going through a bag of stuff today that I have not gone through since the day before my accident. It was my bag of everyday contents that I carried with me. And in it was my old camera, not my GoPro, but the older camera. And as you would know, there would be video on the camera, and it's all about windshield. So I made this the day before my accident. I'm going to process it today and give it out to you, but here it is, and I apologize now for the audio. I've filtered it and clipped it, but it's still the original audio. So please enjoy.
Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. And this morning, we're going to talk about windshields. We just happen to be lined up for windshields. We have 4 windshields coming. We have a windshield and a canopy and a Yankee, as well as a clear, a solar gray, and a green, all in Grumman Tigers. So we thought, since we have all the windshields here in the shop at the same time, we'd show you the colors. So we're looking at, straight here in front of us, this is a green windshield. This is what a clear windshield looks like. Now, they all have the bear hide on both sides to protect the plastic, but you get an idea for the color. So clear, green, and solar gray. So if I back out a little bit, you can definitely see there's a slight difference in color. The solar gray is the new preferred color. It goes with all paint schemes, and it knocks out a little bit of the UV coming in to destroy your plastic and warm up your airplane. So that's what the 3 windshields look like. I'd like to thank you for watching Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. Hope you found this information useful and informative, and have a good day flying your Grumman. Thanks for watching.
And in addition, there's a little treat about 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm doing web work and other stuff. Here's my cat coming down, playing with a mouse and meowing and just having a good time with me in the wee hours of the night. So I thought I'd throw this into you as a little treat. Y'all please enjoy.